already got the miner. That's a $50 miner. Come on. Keep dropping them. Keep dropping them. We're down to $17 and just got in this bonus. Come on, keep coming. Don't stop now. Don't stop. That's really good though. What's that gonna be? We are back in the game. Thank you, Lightning Link. Okay guys, we've moved over to another Lightning Link game. I like the mermaids. Change the denominations up a little bit. Let's go to $1.25 bets. Come on, mermaids. Drop the pearls. Let's go. Oh, three more. Okay, let's go. I really like changing denominations on Lightning Links for some reason. Actually, kind of on all games, but I'm a denomination jumper. Freak. 5 drives me crazy. Come on. $1.25. Hit it. Come on, mermaids. 2 cents. Let's go. Dollar bets. Let's go. Oh, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's get bonus in the bonus. Man, we got this screen now. We got the... Come on, drop the... Forgot mermaids was this screen. We need a big pearl right in the middle. Come on, big pearl. Big fat pearl. Not a turtle. Yeah. Oh, there. Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, $25 to start. Drop a miner. That's a good pearl. Another $20. Come on. Oh, there you go. 2 more would be really good. Do it. Data. I think we still have 2 spins left. $63. $70 in our bonus right now. It's just about $70. Come on, another pearl. Yo, mermaid. More mermaids? Oh, that's good. I think that's good. How's that gonna be? Let's got the counter up top. Let's go. Oh, like $98? $96? Something like that. Okay guys, we're in the bonus. We're in the bonus on high stakes and a really good chip. We got 2 cent denomination here. So that's a $50 chip already on the board. I can't count it all. Come on, go on the board. Go on the board. Oh man, keep dropping. Go! 2 more, same time. 2 more, same time. Oh. bet.